Is your Garmin watch showing incorrect altitude readings? You're not alone. Garmin watches use a barometric altimeter to measure air pressure and estimate your elevation. This segment explains why inaccuracies occur, focusing on common culprits like calibration errors, sensor degradation, software glitches, and environmental factors. Understanding these causes is the first step to fixing the problem. Calibration errors happen when you forget to calibrate at a known elevation, causing readings to drift. Sensor degradation occurs when dust or moisture affects the barometric sensor over time. Software glitches can cause firmware bugs that misinterpret pressure data, leading to erratic readings. Environmental factors like rapid weather changes can cause temporary inaccuracies in altitude measurements. First, manually calibrate your altimeter. Go to your watch's settings, find the altimeter options, and calibrate using your current elevation. You can find this using a reliable source like a map or your smartphone's GPS. Also, make sure your watch has the latest firmware updates. Garmin frequently releases updates that improve sensor accuracy. Restart your watch to refresh the system and sensors. Check the sensor port and clean if needed to ensure proper readings. Garmin software offers advanced calibration options. Within the Garmin Connect app, enable smart calibration. This feature uses historical run data to stabilize altitude readings, particularly useful in urban environments where buildings can cause pressure fluctuations. If issues persist, try cloud-based diagnostics via the app. This allows remote troubleshooting and automatic recalibrations. Over time, the barometric sensor in your Garmin watch can degrade due to normal wear. Ensure the sensor isn't blocked by dirt or debris, which can interfere with accurate readings. In extreme conditions like high-altitude expeditions, manual recalibration at base camp is crucial. Garmin released a high-altitude mode patch in 2025 after Everest expedition reports of sensor freezes. Be aware that rapid weather shifts can temporarily affect accuracy. The watch needs time to adjust. When software fixes don't resolve altimeter problems, the issue may be hardware-related. Let's examine the key hardware concerns and how to address them. First, carefully inspect your watch for any physical damage. Look for cracks in the case, dents, or signs of water damage. These can compromise the barometric sensor and cause inaccurate altitude readings. If you suspect a faulty barometric sensor is the culprit, contact Garmin support through the Garmin Connect app or their website. They can run diagnostics and guide you through troubleshooting steps. Warranty claims for altimeter failures have seen a slight increase in recent years. If your watch is still under warranty, it may be eligible for free repair or replacement. Check your purchase date and contact Garmin to start the claim process. Before considering hardware replacement, try performing a factory reset on your watch. This can resolve issues caused by corrupted settings or firmware conflicts affecting the altimeter sensor. Prevention is key. Regular maintenance, like keeping your watch clean, avoiding prolonged exposure to extreme temperatures or moisture, and performing routine calibrations can significantly reduce hardware-related altimeter problems. Experts recommend prioritizing sensor redundancy to avoid single points of failure in altimeter systems. Dr. Elena Vasquez, a wearable tech analyst, suggests that future models should improve this redundancy for better reliability. Always calibrate your altimeter before starting an activity, setting it at a known elevation point. Double-check your altimeter readings against known landmarks or elevation markers for accuracy. User error is a common cause of inaccurate readings, so understanding proper calibration techniques is key to getting reliable altitude data. The future of Garmin altimeters involves greater AI integration. Newer models use predictive algorithms that learn from user patterns to self-correct errors, reducing manual interventions by up to 40%. Hybrid sensors are also on the horizon, combining traditional barometric data with advanced GPS, multi-constellation support, and even real-time smartphone data syncing for improved accuracy in varying conditions. By 2028, expect fully autonomous altimeters with zero-touch accuracy. These advanced systems will continuously learn and adapt, providing reliable elevation data without any user intervention. Let's look at real-world examples. A pilot experienced altimeter drift during a flight, requiring a factory reset and hardware replacement. A marathon runner had altimeter jumping issues in a city, fixed by enabling smart calibration. These cases highlight the range of possible solutions, from software tweaks to hardware repairs, and the importance of understanding your environment.